In my nervousness, I've left out a part that I have to include at this time. Once I knew the district attorney was involved, I went to another county and reported the situation to the sheriff's office. Those sheriff's officers faxed the Colorado Bureau of Investigation and demanded that they meet with me. I was nervous because I had met with Mr. Hurlburt. I told him I knew he was running cocaine on my property and it better quit. So I left town for several days, reported it to the sheriff's office. By the time I got back to my house in Edwards, my cell phone rang. As I was walking in the door, it was the Colorado Bureau of Investigation. They said that they are going to have to meet with me. While I was on the phone, I opened my front door and reported what I saw. A bullet hole in my living room window. The freeway between Denver and Vail was closed, and there was a 75-mile detour, but the CBI agent was there within 24 hours. He interviewed me on tape, went down to the Eagle County Courthouse, pulled records. He told me he had adequate evidence for an indictment. He didn't say whether it was Ken Wilson, the sheriff's captain, whether it was Joel Hoy, the sheriff, or whether it was Mark Hurlburt, just that he had evidence for an indictment. When Kobe Bryant got arrested by Joel Hoy, Mark Hurlburt went on worldwide news saying, I may be prosecuting Kobe Bryant, but I have to receive information back from the Colorado Bureau of Investigation before I decide. 3 weeks later, he said, I have the information I need from the Colorado Bureau of Investigation. I am going to prosecute Kobe Bryant for rape. He's facing, I believe it was 24 years behind iron bars in the state penitentiary. Knowing that the prosecution was going forward, I called the Colorado Bureau of Investigation and asked how the indictment was coming along, and the agent told me he showed up for work, his paperwork had been put through the shredder. Some of the taped interviews were still on his desk, but erased.